It's your life now.
We're live, I guess.
Hi.
Hi. No one's on here.
Okay.
No one's on
If you want
here.
to, if you
Zero
want
people.
to turn the camera.
Hi.
Sorry, can I please hold it? Oh, can I hold it?
Wait. Let's do a house.
told me-
We're gonna do a house tour.
You told me to.
We're gonna do a house tour.
No one's on yet.
No one's on it. We have to wait until people are on to tell them. Yeah.
You can use this. You can use this.
No one's on. That's sad. Did you tell them?
There's no one's on.
Wait, how many subscribers do you have?
What if
Yeah.
it falls?
Okay.
What if it falls
No,
though?
it's not gonna fall.
But what
Just
if it
hold
does?
Okay,
There's
Valerie.
0 people on. How do you turn
We
it
have
the
to
other
wait
way?
until people get
Oh,
on.
there.
Camera?
I see.
Yeah.
We need to make sure people are on first. Says
Say hi
0
to them.
people. There's 0 people on.
Okay,
Yes, but later maybe.
come here. Go upstairs. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wait for them upstairs.
Hi. Wait, but in the future they're gonna know, so we do need to say hi already. Okay, so today we're doing this house. I know, but later it's gonna stay
I know,
live.
but then we have to help. We have to actually make it when people are on.
Okay, fine. I'm
We
just
have
gonna
to make a worse video so we can get. No one's even watching.
Okay.
Someone gets on, you have to actually like restart all of them.
Okay. So this
Turn the
is
screen.
our
This is our bed.
bedroom.
This is Valley. No, this is Valley's bed.
This is me and my tita's bed.
This bed.
This,
This is Lola and Urza's bed.
I don't know what tita.
My bed. This is Enzo's bed, and this is my
Her bed.
And this is my tablet.
They could see her
Ah,
bed.
this is my tablet. This is my tablet.
This is her tablet. There's still 0 people
And these are
on.
my
Hopefully in the
swimming
future you guys come
And
on.
these are my swimming helpers.
Still no one on. Okay, so we're gonna check up the upstairs.
This is just. This is just.
Can you hold this?
No, please me. Okay.
I'm gonna take it back. Oh,
Okay.
okay, give me that back.
Wait.
Hi. Okay, Tori, give it. Tori, give it back.
I just gave you something.
Give me what?
Big head.
Okay, so right now we're
We have to
So-
wait on them.
wait. No, you don't. So this.
I think there's one person on. Oh, never mind.
So here are the bed. This is Enzo's bed. Here are his headphones. This is Tori's bed. That's. Oh yeah, these pajamas are
And I stayed up
similar.
until like I don't know, like 1 a.m. last night. Cause we're still wearing pajamas in the morning. Guys, watch me.
Yeah, duh.
Watch me, guys. I'll hold.
No, I'm holding it.
Okay.
It was kind of blurry, but there's still 0 people on.
That's sad, people.
But-
Is it fun
Yeah,
if we
people
jump
that
up?
will watch us in the
Let's
future.
go to the bathroom. Our bathroom. Is it fine if I jump up? Yeah,
No.
probably it is. Yeah, it's fine. Just jump.
I'm scared
3,
people.
2, 1. Just do it. Or I'll be here. So
Tori, can you hold it?
okay.
Thank you. Give it back now.
Are you okay?
Are you
My hand.
Are you okay though?
Are you okay?
Okay, so now we're gonna check the bathroom. Here's the shower. Also, we're in the Philippines, and to guide.